And roll it. Okay. Hola. Uchi. What's good? Wagwan. So before I take my lovely, lovely shush, I'm creating content. Go ahead. Mm, yeah. You do your thing. I'm gonna do mine. Thank you. Okay. So before I take these things out, I'm gonna miss these actually. But yeah. So before I take these out and get my new hairstyle for the new year, I'm gonna do one last tutorial. The first tutorial I didn't have hair, so now you're gonna see how those with a whole lot of hair function with wrapping. Get my scarves together. Just want, yeah. If it consumes all the space around you, it should be big enough. Rubber bands. Okay, the hair is up. This would be your structure for your wrap. We just gonna do a nice big do Nefertiti, whatever you want to call it, wrap. Okay, so you see it at about my hairline, and then we're just gonna gather this, gather, and tighten. So quick way, I'm just gonna keep on tightening this. Then we're gonna pull it and wrap. You just want to pull it nice and tight. Stack, and then boop. So this is not as tall as I usually do them. My arms are a little tired. It's getting a little late. But yeah. Boom. Now we're gonna start off the same and doing the second way. Okay. And we're gonna cross, pull it taut and opposite. I cross it back here to make sure the base is secure. So you can go ahead and do the same. Pick a side. And tighten it. This is going to give you a whole lot of height because you're literally squeezing whatever you're using the structure, i.e. your hair, all the way up. I'm going to tuck her away. Yup. And then this one, I'm going to go secure the base. Oh, this is lopsided. Okay, cool. Leaning Tower of Yale. Okay, so this, I'm gonna call it Nefertiti up there. You'll tilt that to straighten. So now you see in a quick way where you just go. That's your casual look, so to say, every day. The, I got to go before I leave the house. I must protect my crown. This is I'm a bad bitch, and still must protect my crown. Dolls queen. Now, so here you're just going to take some loose locks to tie this bun up. Okay. Yeah, I started taking them out. Make sure that actually I don't like that out. So I tuck behind my ears because it's the tightest hold, and you can't see from this side, but like this. Yeah. We're gonna pan, camera, angular. Still can't see, so I can't show you. But yeah, it is twisted up, wrapped up, and we're gonna encase the down bun. Mm-hmm. So these, y'all. And then we take the other side and do that. Now, you'll see that. And there's one more. Nice, nice one. I call her the Cena Mama. So we're just gonna take her hair, let it all free. Get it centered. I twist it so that it stays where I want it to. Yep. Then do that. There. Let's fold it over once. Cross. Yeah. Make sure it's tucked tightly behind your ears. All right, and then cross again. We're gonna cross this up. when it's short like this on one side because you didn't take the time to make sure that it was even, you just tie it up again. And then the shorter side, you tuck. Oh, look at that, Wednesday. So we're gonna wait. And we're just tucking downward into it. This one. And ta-da! Jump. Ta-da!
Alright, y'all. So, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to watch this when you're bored, late at night, and you can't sleep. And you keep on cranking to your music for some reason, like it's amping you up. And you're like, I gotta do something. Go ahead, just like, find yourself in the long and free. And have fun. And peace. Bye.